Here's a list of some of the world's fastest motorcycles as of recent years. Number 10. Aprilia RS V4. Top speed 295 kilometers per hour. Price $25,000. Number 9. Honda CBR 1100X Super Blackbird. Price range from $5,000. Number 8. Ducati Panigale V4. Top speed 299 kilometers per hour. Price $28,000. Number 7. BMW S1000R. Top speed 303 kilometers per hour. Price $18,500. Number 6. Suzuki Hayabusa. Top speed 312 kilometers per hour. Price $18,800.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. GoLogin is the best browser for multi-accounting. It's specifically designed for managing multiple profiles seamlessly. With GoLogin, you can create and manage unlimited profiles, each with its own browser settings, cookies, and extensions. It's super easy. You can set up distinct profiles for each of your accounts. Each one operates independently, so you don't have to worry about data leakage or getting banned. GoLogin also offers advanced features like user agent switching and anti-detection tools, keeping your browsing safe and anonymous. GoLogin prioritizes your security. All your data is encrypted, and you can even manage VPN settings directly within the browser. GoLogin transformed the way I manage my online business. It's a game changer for social media managers. Trust me, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Ready to simplify your online life? Try GoLogin today and experience the ultimate in multi-accounting.
Number 5. Kawasaki Ninja EZ14R. Top speed 334 kilometers per hour. Number 4. Lightning LS218. Top speed 351 kilometers per hour. Price $46,000. Number 3. M420RR. Top speed 439 kilometers per hour. Price $245,000. Number 2. Kawasaki Ninja H2R. Top speed 400 kilometers per hour. Price $56,500. Number 1. Dodge Tomahawk. Top speed 560 plus kilometer per hour. Price $550,000.